So in this session, we can make a message out of the list, right? So you can just concatenate that. We have earlier seen the concatenation function in the strings. So you can combine a text and you can list the particular variable, right? Suppose I say that, we'll take a very simple example. Say I take a variable called message. Okay, take a message 2. I take message 2 equal to, I take a variable called message 2, then equal to, and I type a text over here in the string. Suppose I want to give, say I take a text called denote or devote. Okay, devote flower offering to the idol. Okay, so take a some god idol where I'm going to offer the flower, right? And I require the text to be concatenated. So for that concatenation, you have to just put the plus symbol. That's very important. Plus symbol, you have to put the plus symbol. Then you can type the element that you want. So in this case, I take the flower and take the element number, say 3. Okay, jasmine, element number 3, and dot, I'll put it as a title, right? So title command, title method, so title method ensure that flower is a title, and once again I put plus, and once again I put it between the dot function, right? And now I print the message message 2. So see what will happen right now. Shift and enter. So you find that it gives you devote flower offering to the idol jasmine, right? So I just make it a little bit more comfortable by doing this, right? Once again do the shift plus enter. So you find devote flower offering to idol jasmine. So in this case, you have extracted the element in the list where the index number is 3, and that was jasmine, and you have just attached with the text for displaying the text. So this is the concatenation of your values from the list along with the string variable. So this you can work for giving some instructions. Majorly for most of the complicated codings, we require such type of instructions to be executed, right? Like asking your password. So whenever you access any payment gateways, you find that it will be asking for you the password, your name. So it's like asking, you can ask the, you have the list, right? You have a lot of list of account numbers, and you can ask the whatever the requirements you require, right? So normally it is useful for storing the name. So in sum, you can say that in Python you can create several lists where you can store your names. You can do the greetings for, or a person name for his birthday wishes, whatever maybe it is, right? You can think of your favorite list, whatever list you require.